All right, I've decided to make a quick video on my battery setup in the Prelude for the KSWAP. So what I'm doing is I got the Summit Racing battery relocation kit. So I'm going to have my battery sitting here. It's going to be vented and everything. I also bought this off Amazon. It's a 200 amp. That's what you need. So yeah, I'm going to mount that right there and then run the power to that and then hook that power to the bottom of this. And then it runs through the car. I got it all tied up nice and tight. And then it comes into the engine bay, into a distribution block. So I got the distribution block, so I got the battery on the bottom. And this top wire here goes into the fuse box. It goes right there into the fuse box. And then this wire here joins with the alternator wire, and it comes down. And one goes to the alternator, and the one from the distribution block goes to the starter. So yeah, that's the easiest way to make a charge harness and battery relocation in a Prelude.